overwhelmed to steady. I am steady. I can take things one step at a time. I can stay calm under pressure. People admire my composure. Every day I handle more with ease. Today I will breathe and move forward. I am in control. I manage my life well. How you deserve to feel safe. I am safe and secure. I can protect my peace. I create calm around me. People treat me with respect. Every day I feel more secure. Today I will rest without guilt. I am at ease. I belong in peaceful places. Moving from distracted to present. I am fully here right now. I can give my whole attention. I live in this moment. People feel heard around me. Every day I stay more grounded. Today I will not drift away. I am locked in and aware. I notice the beauty around me. Stop hiding and start showing up. I am visible. I can be seen and heard. I share my gifts with this world. People appreciate who I am. Every day I step out more. Today I will not shrink. I am worth knowing. I show up as myself. Moving from drained to restored. I am recharged and renewed. I can refill my own cup. I rest without guilt. People respect my boundaries. Every day I recover faster. Today I will honor my energy. I am allowed to slow down. I take care of myself first. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please be sure to comment below. Thanks for watching, and come back again tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.